What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pansis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we're doing a video on my 2011 Saab 9.5 Turbo 4. This has got a 2.0 liter turbo. It's got, I don't know, 220 horsepower or something along the lines. But anyways, it's got a turbo in it, and anybody out there that has a turbo in your engine knows that turbo lag exists. And then when it gets hot out and the summer hits and your air conditioning's running, that turbo lag gets even worse. And sometimes it can cost thousands of dollars to improve the performance of your car and eliminate that turbo lag. Well, today I got a video for you of another gentleman in the Saab community. I'll link his Instagram in the description. You guys can give him a follow. He's got a 2008 Saab 9.3 Turbo X, had recommended this product to me, and I went ahead and purchased it from China right off their website. I will link that in the description as well. I spent like 180 bucks or something, and I bought this tool, this gadget called Wind Booster, and it really is absolutely so easy to install. I'll do a little clip on this car here in a minute, so stay tuned. Let's hop into it. Alright guys, so before we actually hop into this video, I wanted to do a giveaway. Super Clean has reached out to me once again. They did this with me last year or so. I can't remember exactly when, but we did it once before on the channel. Their product is actually amazing. I wouldn't be putting it on my channel if I didn't actually use it myself personally. In fact, if you look on my board of stuff, I have Super Clean all over the place. So I am an active user of their product. So again, I usually don't promote or try to give away product unless I actually believe in it myself, because that's just how I am, for those of you that follow me. So they did reach out. They are doing another giveaway with me, and the way that you guys can enter this giveaway is to follow me at Kyle Pansis on Instagram. So I'll link my Instagram in the description, as I always do, and follow me. But when you follow me, you have to message me at the same time and say Super Clean. And next week we're going to be actually announcing the giveaway. So by Wednesday of next week, today is May 27th or 26th, so May 31st I'll be announcing the giveaway. I'll probably record it on my camera for next week's video if I do one. I think I will be. But what I'm trying to say is by this Sunday this video goes live. That gives you guys 3 days to watch this video. Follow me at Kyle Pansis and message me Super Clean. And then every single person that follows me, I will be monitoring who follows me, and message me Super Clean. I will enter your name in the giveaway, and I will contact Super Clean, and they will be contacting you directly and sending you some product. So without further ado, let's just give you guys a quick promo. I like to use this on the engine bays. So these engines are pretty clean already, but we have over 250,000 miles on this car. We have 53,000 miles on this car. I haven't cleaned this in a while, so let's go ahead and just give this stuff a quick degrease. Let me show you how it works. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you on the Saab, since we got 250,000 miles on it. Not only am I a good mechanic at keeping up on this thing, but you guys can see, just like on these little crevices here that would all be greased up with junk and debris and all that oil, you can see how nice and clean the engine is. This is like a very common area for a lot of oil to build up on this engine, and obviously we don't have any oil leaks per se right now, but you can also see how well that degreaser worked. Everything is just nice and dry. Look at the radiator, fan, they look brand new down there, just from a quick spray and a wash without even a brush. Without even a brush. Look at that harness. So, not trying to sell you on it. It is a fantastic product, as you can see. So be sure to give me a follow and message me Super Clean. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and install this wind booster to my 2011 Saab 9.5. Pretty straightforward. You guys can see this. These are like standard Saab clips, but they're so there's a clip like this that's hooked into the electronic pedal. So we're gonna unhook that and reinstall this into the factory slot on the pedal, and then the other side of the harness that's on the pedal now will just go right into here to power that up. And then this unit, this cord here, will plug into this screen. This screen will allow you to control the different settings, and of course I can go ahead and install it on the plastic panel, or in this case I'm probably gonna have it just stored right in here so it's out of the way completely, so nobody ever sees it. So let's go ahead and install this. Pretty straightforward, as you guys can see. Just undo that here and release that harness off. And that pops up like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and install this on here. Like that. And then we're gonna push this out of the way and then reinstall this harness here onto the original factory slot. Okay. So I plugged this in here, and I'm going to turn the car on now. Set to normal mode. Pedal is working, so let's adjust this thing. We don't want it in manual, we want it in sport mode, sport plus. I'll probably put it in race mode here. So that will adjust the response. So for this particular car, it's really easy. I just literally ran the wire up above the pedals over to here. I zip tied it to this metal bar right here, tucked it through the little clip hole, and now I can just go ahead and so now I can just literally store everything right in here, and just like that, it's in there. Close it, and nobody will ever know that it was there. So guys, I initially can feel a difference in the throttle response. Essentially, if your car is an old Saab, and you guys know what I'm talking about, and you put the car in sport mode, it accelerates the response of the throttle, and that's pretty much exactly what this does. It just keeps it freaking jumpy. So now, oh man, I notice a huge difference. This thing runs literally night and day. Holy smokes. Stay tuned, guys. So as you guys saw in the install, it took me literally a minute to install this gadget to the pedal on your car. It's so simple. And then of course, you know, in my case, as you guys saw, I'm leaving the wires and everything in here. But you can actually wire it up and stick it onto your dash if you want to continually have access to changing the settings on the pedal. But in my case, we're just gonna leave it on race plus mode. I know, or no, not race plus, sport plus mode, because race mode is a little bit aggressive, and I'm not the daily driver of this car, my wife is, so for her it's a little too much juice. But with the sport plus, I think with a little bit of you know, getting used to the adjustment, you can learn to live and drive the car. You really need less pedal action with this tool, and I think what's nice about that is your muscle memory is used to the original way the car drives stock. So when you put it in here and it turbocharges it much faster based on your pedal application, which is what it's doing, you know, the turbo lag seems to go away. I mean, the lag is still there, but it gets so much more aggressive on the accelerator that, and it's so much quicker on the accelerator that it does eliminate the turbo lag feel, quote unquote. And if you're driving locally, which this car is doing mostly, it's nice. And then of course, when you're on the road, it seems to be doing very well. I mean, you know, it's just applying the turbo action much faster in a much more aggressive way. That's simply all it is. So the car seems, as my wife would say, stiffer, because you're using less pedal action and getting more performance faster. So it seems stiffer, which is a good way to put it for somebody who's not a car enthusiast. So if you are a car enthusiast, all I can say is it just makes the car that much more aggressive. So really cool. I think this, you know, this upgrade is just a simple way to have an inexpensive way to tune out that turbo lag without spending thousands of dollars on upgrades. Now, if you were me, I would go ahead and get suckered into spending the thousands of dollars and getting this thing up to like 300 horsepower with that aggressive. I mean, this thing would be a monster because it does get up and go already as a stock car. So you add all that horsepower and torque, I mean, you're gonna have yourself a fairly amazing performance sedan, because that's what this thing is. I mean, this thing's designed for a full family 5 in here. I mean, look at this thing just go. It just rips. I mean, I'm literally putting the pedal like a 1/4% down. So this thing moves, guys. So wind booster. I linked a product description in the description. I linked to their website. It is an affiliate link that I signed up for. So anytime you guys purchase, I will be getting a little bit of a kickback from them. So any support from you guys is always appreciated. It definitely goes back into the channel for more content. So I would give this product, like, I don't know, you can't get better than an A++. This stuff is pretty freaking phenomenal, the way this turned out. And for 180 bucks, you really change the entire car. And I would venture to say this wind booster tool is definitely best for all turbo applications. So if you have any car with a turbo, this will help you out without changing an intercooler and doing all those crazy fancy dancy things. So that's my quick 3-minute synopsis and 5 minutes install on this product. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.